So GAN, Generative Adversarial Neural Network. It's a powerful model architecture, right? It uses a generator and a discriminator. Later, I'll discuss about those things. Generator creates some fake data samples and discriminator differentiating these fake samples. And later, I also discuss about so these things are new to you. Don't get just I'm discussing what I'm going to discuss in brief about this deep learning techniques and machine learning techniques. I didn't discuss machine learning techniques also. You've got many techniques, but I'm not briefing you like regression techniques, classification, clustering techniques are there. So those everything I'll be discussing. Yes. RNN and GRU, right? Yes, RNN or GRU. This is also RNN like a recurrent neural network. Recurrent neural network. Just I got a query. 1 second. Yes, I'll come back to your queries, right? Ali Khalid and Praveen Kumar, right? Yes. Yes. RNN and GRU, right? Yes. A recurrent neural network is a type of neural network designed to process sequential data. GRU, right? Gated recurrent unit type of neural network designed for even for processing sequential data. Like even more deep on this, like LSTM. Long short-term memory, right? Long short-term memory. Specialized type, it is a specialized type of recurrent neural network, RNN, in deep learning processing sequential data, right? It's selectively remembering and forgetting the information over long periods. Yes. And more deep on this, everything in this deep learning, even like OpenCV. So OpenCV like open source computer vision library, right? We say OpenCV like open source computer vision library, right? It also plays a vital role in deep learning, particularly within computer vision. It has how say powerful toolkit. It's a powerful toolkit for handling images and video like kind of data that this deep learning techniques models process. And talking about coming to this AI, this generative AI. Just now I discussed about generative AI agentic AI. In a simple way, generative AI creates a new content like text or images, right? By learning the patterns from the data. And prompt engineering, right? So prompt engineering, designing and what we say, optimizing the prompts, that is input instructions for AI models, especially LLMs, large language models for accurately, relevantly getting the desired outputs, right? Yes, even I will be talking about, I will be discussing separately about this advanced prompting techniques. See, LLM APIs, LLMA, large language model, meta AI, right? Yes. Yeah. 1 second, right? Suhasan, right? Yes. I'll come back to your queries. Large language models and this advanced large language LLMs, right? Yes. We talk about this LLM. Okay. Large language models, right? Advanced artificial intelligence systems. They also use deep learning to understand and generate, just like what we say, human-like text. They are being trained on massive data sets. So generally, this used for a translation purpose, for kind of summarizations, content creations, answering some kind of questions, and even like powering this chatbots. Okay. So already in deep learning, I was briefing you about all those things, LSTM, and something like RAG, developing RAG systems, right? It is a, can say, retrieval augmented generation systems, right? It is also a kind of AI framework, enhances large language models, combining with external, what we say, IRS, with external like information retrieval systems.